Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
Alright everybody, welcome to the part 2 to the Wildgame Innovation Hog Haven test. We're going to check the camera today, see what it looks like. Came down here earlier in the week and most of it was gone, so I dumped some corn I had on top of it. Nothing's touched the corn. That don't mean anything. I'm hoping that we had some hogs. I have a feeling it was deer eating it or raccoons. Probably raccoons. Whatever we get on the camera, if it's an animal, y'all see it right after this. Alright, I hope there was a few things on there. If there wasn't, oh well. Here we are closing the video out. Don't know exactly what it is like. I'll put a link to it in the description if y'all want to try it out. Whether it's good, bad, or ugly, I'll let you know in the description. You always go look at the description. I always try to put something in there entertaining. I know Mike's supposed to come out here pretty quick. He's gonna disc my spot up and disc cornbread spot up. May do a little more clearing, not sure. Whenever I get it disced up, I'm gonna try to come fill the feeder up, put the camera on it, and I'll bring y'all a video once a week of that. Then try to start getting back to bank fishing a little bit during the week. I don't know when it'll be before I can get back out with Rob. It may be a day or two. Y'all know my life's been kind of hectic here lately. Trying to get back in the regular routine of posting. Y'all probably hear Gary in the background. I guess he's over brush hogging his place. And they go over and talk to me and come brush hog my place. That's my neighbor. Just right across the fence there. But if y'all made it this far in this cringy video, like, share, subscribe. Give me any ideas on any products y'all want me to test. If they're cheap, I'll get them. I mean, I think I paid $9.99. Actually, Cornbread did, because I took him to Tractor Supply and he was gonna buy gas. And I said, no, just buy this. So that's what we did there. If y'all got anything y'all want me to test for deer, hogs, whatever, let me know in the comments. Tell me what other kind of videos y'all want to see in the comments. I'm trying to get back to posting 3 times a week. I'm really close to a milestone. I'm not going to mention it, but I'm about 10,000 views away, and I'd like to have that pretty quick. And I average about 5,000 views a month, so maybe we can get there by the end of this month. If not, it'll probably be October. Like, share, subscribe, and we're gone.